Welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the most mind-blowing machines on the planet, technological marvels that operate at an entirely new level. These incredible machines are reshaping industries, solving problems, and paving the way for a future that looks like science fiction. From AI-powered robots to machines that can build entire cities, these innovations are pushing the limits of what's possible. Let's dive in. First up, we have autonomous construction vehicles. These machines can dig, lift, and transport materials across massive construction sites, all without human operators. Using sensors, GPS, and AI, they can navigate complex terrains and avoid obstacles with precision. They're already being used to build infrastructure faster, safer, and more efficiently. Autonomous bulldozers like this one are capable of leveling entire plots of land with pinpoint accuracy, guided entirely by advanced GPS systems. No driver, no problem. Just raw power directed by cutting-edge tech. Next, we have AI-powered industrial robots. These robotic arms aren't just programmed for repetitive tasks anymore. They're capable of learning and adapting to new jobs on the fly. In modern factories, robots are assembling cars, electronics, and even delicate medical equipment with unmatched precision. What's mind-blowing about these machines is their ability to adapt. With AI, they can optimize their movements, detect errors in real time, and even adjust their own speed based on the complexity of the task. In fact, some robots are learning from each other through shared cloud networks, making production faster and more efficient than ever. Moving underground, we have tunnel boring machines, some of the largest and most powerful machines ever built. These giants are used to create tunnels for highways, subways, and even massive sewer systems, burrowing through rock and dirt like it's nothing. With diameters that can reach over 50 feet, these machines are true engineering marvels. Equipped with rotating cutting heads, they can slice through any terrain, and they even reinforce the tunnel as they go. This level of automation allows for the construction of tunnels at unprecedented speeds. You might already be familiar with 3D printers, but what if I told you they've evolved to print entire houses, organs, and even spacecraft parts? That's right. 3D printing has reached a whole new level. Take a look at this, a 3D printer that constructs entire homes using concrete. These machines can print the walls of a house in just a few hours, offering a faster, cheaper, and more sustainable way to tackle housing shortages. In the medical field, 3D printing is being used to create artificial organs, such as kidneys, using real human cells. While we're still in the early stages, the potential to one day 3D print fully functional organs for transplant is truly revolutionary. Up next is the Hyperloop, a futuristic transportation system that could redefine how we travel. Using magnetic levitation inside vacuum-sealed tubes, Hyperloop pods can travel at speeds of up to 760 miles per hour. Imagine traveling from Los Angeles to San Francisco in under 30 minutes. That's the promise of the Hyperloop. Not only does it drastically cut travel time, but because the system runs in a low-friction environment, it's also incredibly energy efficient. Though still in development, this technology could one day revolutionize high-speed travel. Drones have come a long way from being just flying cameras. Today, AI-powered drones are transforming industries like agriculture and delivery. In urban areas, companies like Amazon and Google are developing drones that deliver packages right to your doorstep. These drones use AI to navigate through complex cityscapes, avoiding obstacles and finding the quickest delivery route. In agriculture, drones are used to monitor crops, map fields, and even apply pesticides. With AI, these drones can detect problem areas like poor soil conditions or pest infestations, allowing farmers to make smarter, more efficient decisions. Now let's get into something truly futuristic: quantum computers. Unlike traditional computers that use bits, quantum computers use qubits, which can exist in multiple states at once. This allows them to perform complex calculations at speeds that would take normal computers thousands of years. While still in its early stages, quantum computing has the potential to revolutionize everything from cryptography to medicine. With their incredible processing power, quantum computers could unlock new levels of AI, simulate chemical reactions for drug discovery, and even solve climate modeling problems that are too complex for today's computers. Next on our list are robotic exoskeletons. These wearable machines give people superhuman strength or assist those with mobility issues in walking again. Using advanced sensors and AI, exoskeletons can respond to the wearer's movements, providing support where it's needed. In industrial settings, exoskeletons are being used to help workers lift heavy loads without straining their bodies. In healthcare, they're giving people with spinal injuries the ability to walk again. These machines have the power to change lives and industries. Finally, we have autonomous ships, massive vessels that can sail across oceans without human crews. These ships are equipped with AI systems that allow them to navigate, avoid obstacles, and optimize routes all on their own. By removing the need for large crews, autonomous ships could reduce costs, increase efficiency, and make shipping safer by eliminating human error. This technology is still in development, but it's clear that the future of ocean transport could soon be autonomous. These mind-blowing machines are changing the world around us, and they're just the beginning. From autonomous vehicles